Namaste, yogis. It's Cam. I'm back with our Posture of the Month series here at Flex Hot Yoga in Norman Park. And this posture of the month is Koundinyasana B, so forearm balance. So to get there, you're going to need a really solid chaturanga. We've been working over that in the past couple of months, remembering that you have the elbows stacked over the wrists and hugging the elbows into the body line. So that's going to be essential. You're also going to need to be able to take lizard lunge so that you have enough room to place the inside of the thigh onto the outside of the elbow in a lunging position. So to get into our Koundinyasana B, we're going to start from downward facing dog. And from our downward dog, taking the right foot to the outside of the right hand into lizard lunge. So from our lizard lunge position here, you're going to gently lean forward, placing the elbow of the right arm into a chaturanga position so that the thigh of the right leg can come onto the top of the elbow. Start leaning forward like a pillar and then floating the back leg. And then you can step back into your downward facing dog or back into your plank or however it is. So drills to get there, you might just take the elbow to the side and place the inner thigh on top of the elbow just to get a feel. So you might start with the leg bent and then take it back. So that's a nice drill there onto the outside and back. Other drills that you could use to get strong enough to come into it is your tiger curl series. So from a downward dog, three-legged dog, learning to tuck the knee as tight as you can so that you're used to pressing the floor away, switching on the core, and then you can oscillate that to take it onto the outside of the thigh, and then lift into your Koundinyasana B. And there's our pose of the month, all of September at Flex Hot Yoga. Namaste, yogis. See you on the mat.